Hi, Tom here. I bought the Sunsun HW-5000 filter. Nice filter here. Everything look okay? And I bought 3 of them. And all 3 leaked. And then, I don't think it's their fault. It wasn't my fault. I think it's in shipping, it gets loose. What the problem is the ultraviolet light, which is here, and I will show you. Can you see it perfectly? The ring. It gets loose. So what you got to do is I put a little bit of Vaseline. People say use something else, but Vaseline's fine. And then I put it in place, like so. Can you see me okay there? Good. And then I shove it in, make sure she's in tight. There. Bring it down. And tighten it right up. Now, it's got to be tight. I don't know why they did it. There, now that's tight. That's what you have to do with it. And then you make sure these are greased up a little bit. You don't want them dry. Now, I'm not gonna, this is my spare. I bought 3 of them. Just in case something like this happens where you have a part if you need it, or if one of my my pump goes, or the digital on it goes, anything, right? So you lube it all up, and then you put it back in its place. And you got to be careful when you're putting it in, because you can break these little tabs off. They're pretty strong, but it only takes one little mistake. And then you use, I did a video before, but it got messed up, taking it apart. And then you put the screws in. It takes 4 screws. Very simple. I'm going to show you how fast it is to put it together. Right, you put the 4 screws in place, tighten them up. A secret is, put a little Vaseline on the bit, and it'll hold the screw in place if you don't have a magnet one, which I don't have one here. So we put that in place. I hate when that happens. Anyways, you put that in place, as I said. You screw it in. So she's tight. Don't go too tight because you'll strip it. It's only plastic. And then one more here. I'm going to flip it on its side. There. Now she's in nice and tight. The last time I did this got full of water. This was full of water with the other 2. Now this is you have to undo this clip. This way you can pull it out. This is a locking system. It hooks up to here and locks it so it can't turn on. So you just shove it in like this, and you click her down like that. Lock it. Put your cables back in place. This is the place I took off for your the electrical. 2-second job, right? Remember, not too tight because you'll strip it. We'll have both of them working tonight because we're going to finish the tank tonight, me and Jeff. And, or Jeff. That's the plate for the outer plate for the cover, which serves 2 purposes. I think it holds the motor, helps the motor in place, keeps the motor in place, and it makes it look better instead of having this tank sticking on the side. It's very powerful. I was pretty impressed. How many gallons is it per hour or per minute?
1,265 an hour, GPH.
Yeah. So that's pretty good. So I'll probably push out about 700 with all the filters and everything else in. tight. Flip her over. Canisters, really nice. Hold a lot of stuff. I like it because it's all one unit when you put it in. And they all clip in nicely. Take the O-ring out. Little Vaseline, like I use. Go around it like so. The top. We got the top. Put the top in its place. Click her down. Wrap her around. And Helen's doing me a favor by holding my iPhone for me because I'm useless. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. Wrong. Is that right? No, that's wrong. Oh. There. Now we're tight. Sorry. I apologize. Okay. YouTubers. I ate too much birthday cake today. No, it wasn't my birthday. Okay. There's the baby. Put together. And I'm sure she won't leak. Thank you, and have a great night. Bye now.